Hi, I'm Val Becker with Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today we're going to talk about how to divide a garden plant. This is a yarrow. Very, very easy plant to grow. It'll grow pretty much anywhere. And today we're going to divide it so that we have more yarrow plants. First thing we're going to do with this plant is we're going to dig a chunk of it out of the ground. Once we have our plant out of the ground, then we need to divide it. We could actually make a lot of plants out of this one chunk of yarrow. We've moved our yarrow out to a hard surface so that we can take chunks out of it now. Now we have a piece of yarrow ready to transplant. We could either break this down further or we can just go ahead and plant this whole thing. I'm Val Becker with Glover Nursery, and we've just covered how to divide a garden plant.